Hey everybody, it's Ann from What's Up Family Home, and today I am making a recipe from this book, Comfort Foods Made Simple. I got it at the Dollar Tree. This is a chicken Parmesan recipe, and this is a collab hosted by Tamera at Southern Wife Everyday Life. And we are doing cookbook recipes from our favorite cookbooks. And I thought this one had some great recipes in it. So I'm going to pick one of these, and mine is chicken Parmesan. I've never had it before, and I've never made it before. So I thought it would be easy to make. So let's get started. And I'm going to go ahead and make it with some spaghetti. So I'm going to get the water started for that. And I've got 4 chicken breasts that I cut in half and pounded out. I've got the flour here in one plate, and then I've got 2 beaten eggs in this one. And in the next one, I have the panko and some other spices, and I'll have the recipe linked below in the description box. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and coat the chicken in the flour. Make sure you coat that really well, and then put it in the egg, and make sure you let some of that drip off. And you will need to double the panko mixture because I had to put an extra cup in there. And then you'll put it in some oil and fry it. The recipe says to cook it on each side for 3 to 4 minutes, and then we'll put it into the oven. So I will cook these, and then I'll show you the next step. Okay, I've got a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, and now I'm going to put some spaghetti sauce over the top of each one. After I top each one with the spaghetti sauce, I'm going to go ahead and put it in the oven for 10 minutes. Okay, I went ahead and added my spaghetti. I'm just using some thin spaghetti, the Walmart brand, and I'm just going to let it cook by the package direction. Okay, my chicken is out of the oven, and now I'm going to go ahead and add some cheese. The directions say to add some mozzarella and some Parmesan. I'm just using some regular mozzarella cheese that's just shredded in the bag. And then I'm going to go ahead and use some Parmesan too. After the mozzarella, I'm putting in some Parmesan and Romano cheese. And after you put that on there, you'll turn up the oven to 450 and just put them in there and let them cook until the cheese is melted and nice, and it's nice and bubbly. Okay, I just used the pot that I cooked the spaghetti in, and I put some of the sauce in there from the jar and some garlic powder, and I just mixed that together with the spaghetti. And now I'm just going to make sure the sauce is heated up and just cook that just for a few minutes. Okay, this is the finished product. It was delicious. And I want to thank Tamera again from Southern Wife Everyday Life for hosting. She has a great channel, and you need to go subscribe to her channel if you haven't already. She has great food content, great vlogs, just a little of everything. And I'll have her channel as well as a playlist linked below. And I'll see you guys in the next video.